Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can get rid of any part of the video that you dislike. So here you can see this is Camtasia video editing software. Just we can add a video and then we can add this. Here you can see in the timeline. After that, if you want to cut any part of the video, how you can do that? Just here you can see split options. But before that you need to click here, and after that here you can see we can drag this one. So we need to select the area that is starting point, and after that we will select ending point. So for example, I want to remove from this time. Here you can see, after that click here split. So guys, now here you can see video is divided into two parts. After that, now I want to do that one more time. Here you can see, just click here again. So video is divided into three parts. Now right click and delete this part. After that, drag it, here you can see, and combine these. So now simply share and export your video file. So guys, this is how is to remove unwanted part of videos.